Hi everyone, I am Teacher Jornel. Today, let us learn how to write letters of alphabet. Please click the subscribe button below. How to write capital letters with curved lines. Those letters are capital letter B, C, D, O, P, U, G, J, R, S, and Q. Now, let's begin. How to write capital letter B? How to write capital letter C? How to write capital letter D? How to write capital letter O? How to write capital letter P? How to write capital letter U? How to write capital letter G? How to write capital letter J? How to write capital letter R? How to write capital letter S? And how to write capital letter Q?